Hey everyone, it's me, the CEO of TwoTab.io. I'm happy to announce that I do a little giveaway to celebrate the huge success that TwoTab.io is. But before we come to that, I want to thank everyone who upvoted TwoTab.io on Product Hunt. We got like, I think, 240 or so upvotes. Unfortunately, I did a little fail because I didn't pay attention to the time zone that Product Hunt uses. And I launched TwoTab, I think, 2 hours before midnight of their time zone, which made it basically impossible for TwoTab to become product of the day or get a high ranking for that day. But anyway, thank you for everyone who upvoted, and also thank you to everyone who already posted resources on TwoTab. We already got a few hundred resources, really nice. And this is also what our giveaway today is about. For this, I partnered with Pact. So my friend Katalin Gita, who was also on my Coding in Flow podcast a while ago, I will link this episode here on the right corner somewhere. He wrote a book, a really big Android-related book that contains basically everything you need to know for modern Android development, like Jetpack Compose, clean architecture, dependency injection, coroutines, offline caching, testing, all this stuff. And the guys from Pact made a deal with me that we give away a few of these books. So they are willing to give away 3 physical copies, so 3 print books and 5 ebooks, so 8 books in total. And there's also a second prize. Philip Lackner supplied 5 coupon codes over 50% discount for any of his courses. And to participate, what you have to do is you have to sign up on TwoTab.io. So you have to create an account and you have to post at least 1 resource. A resource is just a link to a tutorial, either text or video or whatever, with some metadata. So this is how TwoTab works. I will put a link to TwoTab in the description below. Now, posting more than 1 resource does not increase your chance of winning. So it's binary. It's either you have posted 0 resources and you don't participate, or you have posted at least 1 resource and then everyone has the same chance of winning. Because I want to avoid that people just spam my website to have a higher chance of winning. Of course, I don't want this. So just post 1 resource and you will participate in the giveaway. Also, YouTube and the law and everything requires me to put these conditions in more detail in the description box below, so you can read about the conditions there. The raffle will end on Thursday, June 23rd. 1 minute before midnight, basically. So 11:59 p.m. CEST, which is Central European Summer Time. So that's my time zone. Again, you can read more about this in the description box below. And you don't have to send me any more of your contact information, because every account on TwoTab also has an email address. Just make sure that I can reach you under the email address that you used to sign up on TwoTab.io. If you win, I will send you an email. And there is one more caveat. And that is, these guys from Pact, they can only send the physical book to the US, Canada, UK, Australia and the EU. So if you are from India, for example, then we cannot send you a physical book, unfortunately. I was planning to do it myself, but the shipping costs are like $40. And I don't even have $40 on my bank account, so I can't afford this. But you can still win the ebook version. So everyone has the same chance of winning. And if you are from a country where we can't ship the physical book, you will get the ebook instead for free, completely for free. All right, so again, sign up on TwoTab.io. Post at least 1 resource, pick a good resource, because your posted resources are also shown in your account, and of course you want to look good to other users. But just post 1 resource and you have a chance of winning. And I will keep you updated about the further development of TwoTab.io. I have a lot of stuff to do. For example, I'm migrating the whole website to Next.js. I will talk about this in a later video. I also migrated from JavaScript to TypeScript. I will keep you updated about this stuff. I will make more vlogs about this in the future, so stay tuned for that. We see us again in the next video. Take care.